flew on down to Galveston a few weeks ago and had a great time. Everything went great until we went back to the airplane. Our airplane is an old airplane, 1950 V-tail Bonanza. It does not have 4-place intercom, so we have a splitter that I keep, that I set in between myself and the passenger, and run a cable to the back for the other splitter. It was dark when we were getting back in the airplane, and I slid on into the plane and sat right on the plug. So that cracked the casing around here and bent this part, and no matter what I did, I couldn't ever get it to connect 100% of the time. Or sometimes you could get it to connect, sometimes you couldn't. You could listen, but it was the microphone part that was not working. Me and my infinite wisdom, I decided, hey, let's just take a cheap connector, cut it, and see if I could splice it into the Bose. Well, that's great in theory. Cut both of them up. The cheap one has 3 wires. When I cut into the Bose, it has 6 wires. So right there, knew it wouldn't work. Went ahead and ordered the Bose A20 cable replacement, non-Bluetooth, $200. You can get a Bluetooth one for $300, but I don't need it. I'm gonna show everybody how to replace it. All right, let's do that. So here is the box it comes in. Hey, batteries. It's your 3.5mm jack for audio, for music, plugging into your cell phone, microphone, and the unit itself. Here is the cable. I've already cut it. There are 2 screws here that you just undo and pull it out. And that's it. I guess the screws stay in there with it. Screws stay in there with it. And just plug this one back in. That's literally all there is to it. If you wanted to switch sides, you could just remove the plate, swap the plate over to this side, and plug it in over here. That's if you wanted to do that. And that's it. Then you get yourself a brand new microphone and noise canceling, and just put the batteries in.